We will see the PYQ March 23 from the question number 51. Question number 51. Consider the following statements about the transport and the infrastructure in India. Correct answer is option A. National highways constitute less than 2% share of the total road network of India. BRO, Border Road Organization, has taken up projects for construction of infrastructural facilities like schools, hospitals, airport buildings also in the inaccessible area. Option C. Indian Railways has been divided into the 16 zones for its operation and management. Question number 52. Which of the following statements are correct? Correct answer will be the option C. Kurmi is an agrarian caste in eastern India. Patel is the leading land-owning caste of western India. Nambodari are the Brahmins of the Kerala. Question number 53. Correct answer will be the option D. A and C. A. The Chinese scholars first developed a scientific method of cartography based on rectangular coordinate system. And option C. They recognized that Africa was southward pointing triangle, whereas on contemporary map it was always represented as pointing eastwards. Coming to question number 54. Which of the following are the correct statements? Correct answer will be the option B. Knowledge processing outsourcing KPO comes under quinary service, and outsourcing is coming to countries like India due to availability of the cheap and the skilled workers. Coming to question number 55. Which of the following statements are correct? Correct answer will be the option B, A and D. The total value of the goods and the services traded is considered to be the volume of the trade, and the practice of selling a commodity in two countries at a price that differs for reasons not related to cost is called dumping. Coming to question number 56. Which of the following are the correct statements? Correct answer will be the option A. Fossil fuels and the nuclear fuels are non-renewable source of energy. Energy use is one of the main contributor to human-induced climate change, and there is a zero emission of greenhouse gases from the nuclear power plant. Coming to question number 57. Which of the following statements are not correct with reference to the Von Thunen's agriculture location theory? Correct answer will be the option D. A, B, C and E are not correct answer. Firewood and timber production zones has lost its validity. Question number 58. Consider the following statements related to man-nature interaction. Correct answer will be the option B. A, B and D. A. In Himalayan region, pine trees are more prone to forest fire. B. Shifting of cropping pattern from diversified crops to monoculture is threat to food security in India. And option D. Alternate cultivation of wheat and rice in Rabi and Kharif season deteriorate the nitrogen in soil. Question number 59. Consider the following statements related to infrastructure, literacy and natural resources of India. Correct answer will be the option C. C and D. Project Tiger was launched in 1973 with 9 tiger reserves, and by 2018 it was reached to 50 tiger reserves. Option D. Gujarat accounts the second largest mangrove forest in India. Coming to question number 60. Which of the following trenches have the depth less than the 10,000 meters? Correct answer will be the option B. B and C. Puerto Rico Trench and Java Trench. Coming to question number 60. Which of the following statements about the impact of the climate change on the oceans are not correct? Correct answer will be the option D. A and D. The ocean have become less acidic over the past few decades, and the oceans will store less carbon dioxide in the coming years. Coming to question number 62. Which of the following statements are correct about Coriolis force? Correct answer will be the option D, A and C. Coriolis force is present in all motion relative to Earth, and the strength of the Coriolis force varies with speed of motion and also decreases with latitudes. Coming to question number 63. Which of the following data are the sources of proxy data for climate change studies? Correct answer will be the option C, A, B and D. Historical documents, seafloor sediments and fossil pollens. Coming to question number 63. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the effects of the global warming? Correct answer will be the option C, A, B and D. A. Due to the global warming, it is believed that heat waves may increase in future. Tropical cyclones will become more intense. And option D. The model indicate that some regions will experience significantly more precipitation and runoff. Question number 65. Which of the following statements are correct? Correct answer will be the option D, B, C and D. More tropical cyclones occur in Bay of Bengal than Arabian Sea. The cyclonic systems developed in Pacific Ocean have impact on the Southeast Asia. Intensification of cyclone within 5 to 22 hours makes prediction of its track difficult. Coming to question number 66. List 1 type of the volcanic eruption, list 2 characteristic. Correct answer will be the option A, pillion type. Extreme viscous lava with the violent character. Hawaiian type, more fluid basalt lava, effusive and quiet in nature. Strombolian type, less fluid basaltic lava and having explosive nature. Vulcanian type, viscous lava which do not remain liquid after contact with air. Coming to question number 67. Match list 1 terms and list 2 coined, first used by. Correct answer will be the option B, ethology, Isidore Geoffrey, Sant Hilary. Ecology, Ernest Haeckel. Hexicology, Sant George Jackson Maywart. Ecologicalness, J. Greenell. Coming to question number 68. Match list 1 approaches to environmental ethics and list 2 meanings. Correct answer will be the option B, anthropocentrism, view that all environmental responsibility is derived from human interests alone. Biocentrism, option 4 will be the view that all forms of life have an inherited right to exist. Ecocentrism, view that environment deserves direct moral consideration and not consideration that is mainly derived from human or animal interest. And social ecology, view that social hierarchies are directly connected to behaviors that led to environmental destruction. Coming to question number 69. Match list 1 types of the region, list 2 examples. Correct answer will be the option C, planning region, NCR, formal region, climatic region, nodal region, metropolitan region, vernacular region, Middle East. Question number 70. List 1 regional blocks, list 2 headquarters. Correct answer will be the option D, ASEAN headquarter is Jakarta. European Union, Brussels, Belgium. OPEC, Vienna. SAARC, Kathmandu. Coming to question number 71. List 1 concept, list 2 characteristics. Correct answer will be option B, taboo, a restriction on behavior imposed by social tradition. Culture, the body of social norms, beliefs and material traits that together constitute a group of the people of distinct tradition. Habit, a repetitive act performed by particular individual. Custom, frequent repetition of act to extent that it becomes characteristic of group of people performing the act. Coming to question number 72. Match list 1 thinkers and list 2 contributors. Correct answer is option C. Safer criticized geography as science of distribution. Wright geosophy. Bunge drew attention on the formulation of laws governing spatial distribution of phenomena. Hetner planning with people rather than planning for them. Coming to question number 73. Match list 1 technique analysis and list 2 application. Correct answer will be the option A. Time series analysis, making prediction with reasonable confidence. Chi-square test, most commonly recommended test for uniformity model. Cluster analysis, it may be either agglomerative or decisive. Lorentz curve, comparing distribution on two-dimensional surfaces. Coming to question number 74. Match list 1 GIS analysis function, list 2 GIS operations. Correct answer will be the option A. Combining detailed map category to create new, less detailed categories. Aggregation creates a zone of a specific width around one or more feature. Correct answer, it will be matched with the buffering. Permits determining the stream flow in a drainage basin. It is related to network analysis. Permits view shed mapping of what terrain features can be seen from a specified location. Intervisibility. Coming to question number 75. Match list 1 coal mining region and list 2 states. Correct answer will be the option A. Singareni, Telangana. Eve River Valley, Odisha. Karanpura, Jharkhand. Kampte, Maharashtra. Coming to question number 76. Arrange the following according to their related years in the chronological order first to last. Correct answer will be the option B. Brundtland Commission 1987, then Agenda 21 1992, then Kyoto Protocol 1997, then Paris Agreement 2015. Coming to question number 77. Identify the correct sequence descending order of the leading country in the wind power installation capacity in 2021. Correct answer will be option C. China, USA, Germany, India. Coming to question number 78. Which of the following is the correct descending sequence of the world's largest merchandise imports in 2021 as per WTO reports? Correct answer is the option D. USA, China, Germany, Japan. Coming to question number 79. Arrange the following language in descending order in the world according to the percent of the people speaking in them. Correct answer will be the option D. Indo-Europeans, Sino-Tibetan, Afro-Asiatic, then Dravidian, Japanese. Question number 80. Arrange the following population health policy in India in chronological order from older to recent. Correct answer will be the option A. C. National Health Policy 1988, then National Policy for Person with Disability 2006, then National Mental Health Policy 2014, then National Health Policy 2017, and then last National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. Coming to question number 81. Arrange the following concept of the political geography in chronological order from oldest to latest. Correct answer will be option B. Heartland thesis by Mackinder, then Rimland theory of Spikeman, then functional approach in political geography by Hartson, and last frontier and boundaries concept by Moody's. Coming to question number 82. Arrange the following approaches in chronological order. Correct answer will be the option C. Determinism, quantitative revolution, behavioralism, then feminism. Coming to question number 83. Arrange the following elements of the electromagnetic remote sensing of the earth resources in sequential order. Correct answer will be the option B. Energy source, propagation of the energy through the atmosphere, then energy interaction with each surface, then retransmission of energy through atmosphere, and last detection, recording and transmission of data to ground stations by sensors. Coming to question number 81, arrange the following developmental plans of India in their order of inception. Correct answer will be option A will be the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. First, Damodar Valley Corporation, 1948, then Drought Prone Area Program, then Integrated Rural Development Program, then Desert Development Program, last National Capital Region. Coming to question number 85. Arrange the following states in descending order on the basis of the percentage of the forested area out of the total geographical area. Correct answer will be the option B. Kerala, Uttarakhand, Odisha, West Bengal. Coming to question number 86. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other will be the reason. Correct answer will be the option B. Both are correct but not correct explanation of A. Assertion. Increasing complexity and diversity of the economic activity encourages unevenness of the population distribution. Reason. Increasing government control over economic activity emerged as a significant factor affecting population patterns. Option B. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Coming to question number 87. Correct answer will be the option A. Assertion. The dark shadow of the trees on the pavement may be misclassified as water in the process of the automated image classification, and reason. The invisible wavelength imaginary objects inside shadows will tend to appear darker and bluer than if they were fully illuminated. Both are correct and correct explanation. Coming to question number 88. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1. Sugarcane cultivation in Deccan Plateau region is more remunerative than northern regions of India. This statement is correct. Statement 2. There are a few numbers of the sugar mills located in sugarcane cultivating northern regions of India. This statement is incorrect. Therefore, answer C will be the correct. Coming to question number 89. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1. The movement of the minerals in an ecosystem is unidirectional. This is incorrect. Statement 2. The movement of the energy in an ecosystem is cyclic. This is also incorrect. Therefore, option B is the correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are the false. Coming to question number 90. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1. A state may be defined as geographical organized area by the population and having a government in partial control of its entire area. This statement is false. Statement 2. A state is a human community that claims the monopoly of the legitimate use of the physical force with a given territory. This statement is correct. Therefore, option D is the correct. Question number 91 to 95. Read the passage carefully and then question the given below. Please friends, stop the video and read the paragraph and then you will answer the questions. Question number 91. Which one of the following statement is correct about the horticulture products? Correct answer will be the option D. Most of the horticulture products face the problem of glut at the time of the harvest. Question number 92. The chitinase gene is injected into tomatoes and potato in order to ensure option A. Freshness. Option B. Save money on preservation. 93. Which of the following measure is not necessary a step required to preserve the horticulture products? Option D. Big market size. Question number 94. India requires genetic engineering of horticulture products preservation to ensure option D. Natural defense against fungus. Question number 95. 50% increase in population production of fruits and 100% vegetable will be beneficial in the form of option A is the correct. A, C and D. To meet the nutritional requirement to increase the employment opportunity and to bring the family above the poverty line. Question number 96 to 100. Read the passage carefully and answer the question. Question number 96. The lead contamination crisis in Flint was a consequence of. Correct answer is option D. Cost cutting measures and aging water infrastructure. Question number 97. Why disease is a severe form of pneumonia contracted from water sources like cooling towers and piped waters? Correct answer is option C. Legionnaires disease. Question number 98. Why low income community are at the high risk of from the water pollution? Option B. Because their homes are often closest to the most polluting industries. Coming to question number 99. Which of the following message is given in the passage? Correct answer will be the option D. Water pollution is a problem even in the high income countries. Question number 100. Every year, how many Americans contract health issues such as skin rashes, pink eyes, respiratory injection, and hepatitis from sewage-laden coastal waters? Correct answer will be option B. 35 lakhs. Thank you, friends.